Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Santana for those of you that are new here. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this. So this was a sweater that I just turned into like a crop top. It's Tommy Hilfiger, and it kind of has like this sparkly blue design. Can you see it? It has sparkles and it's like white and orange and red. And it is so cute. When I saw it, I totally had to have it. I knew right away what I would do with it. I think it's really nice. It's like super trendy. Let me show you. So like, yeah, it's like an oversized crop sweater. I said it like a question. So yeah, it's super cute. So this is going to be a pretty quick video. It actually took me kind of a while because this material is really hard to work with, but it was relatively easy. I just kind of stuck. So yeah, if you want to see how I turn this from a sweater into this crop top, just keep watching. So this is the before. It's pretty oversized on me, but I do love the design with the blue kind of glitter, and then with the red and the orange and the white, it looks really nice. So I'm just going to be pinning it, finding where I want it to sit and then pinning it, and then from there I will sew it. Running out of daylight, and I just trimmed this sweater, so I'm just gonna try to sew it really quick and see how much light we have left. Okay. Also, I'm very sorry for this view. I pretty much do everything on the floor because I don't have a table, so this is the predicament right now. Kind of sucks. Yeah, but it's fine. And I was totally going to just leave this edge raw because it kind of looks cute, but there are literally tiny red fuzzies all over the place, all over me, all over the floor. Like, I'm gonna have to vacuum for the third time today. top Tommy sweater. And I do have some leftover fabric. And I'm kind of thinking of doing like a bandeau type top. So really all I'm going to do is take in the sides and then hem the top, and then that'll be it. And we'll see how it turns out. I'm not super optimistic. The hem in this didn't turn out that good because my bobbin thread is blue and I only have one bobbin, and I don't want to take the thread out of the bobbin and then rethread it every time I need a different color. So I'm kind of just like dealing with it. It's really not the end of the world. Okay, so here's the finished product of the tube top thing. It didn't turn out bad. It would be really hard to mess something like this up, so I would be kind of ashamed if it just like turned out like garbage. The only thing is that right here, I didn't line it up correctly, so you can see that the stripes don't line up all the way. So I'm thinking I'll just fold that over and then do like a little hand stitch just so I can cover it, because it not being lined up doesn't bother me that much. But this would drive me absolutely crazy. But it's pretty cute and I really like it. I kind of feel a little naked right now. I'm like showing everything. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, give it a little like. Maybe subscribe to my channel if you would like to, if you want to see more of these videos. I do kind of a lot of thrifting and I sew kind of a lot. I like to find stuff that doesn't fit me, like a thrift store that I can make fit me, or I can turn it into something else with the materials. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, then subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye.